forgot what I was gonna do. Get the shotgun. Wait, am I safe if I get the shotgun? I ran kind of far.
Where in the hell you think you're going to, son?
I don't know, I'm lost. I think I missed my chance to get the shotgun.
You're wasting your time.
I don't... Hi.
Oh, I was so worried about you.
Thanks, Dad. Haha, juked. I choked on my... Oh, I could've gone through this. Keep waiting, I'll be back. Or not.